if we're in this conflict in the Middle East for a long time, this particular company, Hafnia, is probably going to go up in value quite nicely. Let me see if I can do it. Yeah, here we go. Because I think this stock is going to continue to go up. Meanwhile, you're going to be paid a nice dividend. So let's take a look at their cash flow, see if they can afford that dividend. So as you guys have seen multiple stocks, when I look at revenue and I look at profits and so forth, for a company like Hafnia that's tied to a cyclical industry like oil, I can do that, but I can't do that at the same time because sometimes if the oil price goes way down, there's less volumes, the rates on shipping are going to go way down. It's not to any fault of Hafnia. And so I'm not fixated on revenue growth when it comes to Hafnia or oil companies. What I am fixated on is how is that actual commodity going to trade going forward? Is it on its way up, which is going to enable Hafnia to make more money as well as the oil companies? And that's what I'm focused on right now. So I'm not going to totally go into the revenue growth rate. When oil prices spike, you see their revenue really cranks up. Oil was really high in 2022. You see that revenue gain. So if we see that spike in oil and it stays up there, it stays elevated for a long time, these guys will make a lot of money. Free cash flow looks good. Really nice free cash flow. What's the free cash flow per share? Did they give us that? Yeah, per share 167. That looks good. And they pay a dividend of 91 cents. So they can afford that dividend. Shouldn't be a problem. Do they have debt? Not too bad. So they have about $878 million of debt. Okay. It is sizable debt considering that they don't have a lot of revenue. What's debt to EBITDA? Debt to EBITDA 1.34. So that's fine. Okay. The ratio is good. It has to be under 3, debt to EBITDA. Okay. So balance sheet looks good. Really, the question is, do you believe oil prices are going to stay elevated? If that's the answer, this stock's going to do well. If you think oil prices are going to go down, this is going to have a very short rally and it's probably going to sell off. So what's my guess on oil is you got to revisit it week to week, month to month, but it seems like we're going to be elevated for probably about a month.